Outstanding design defines the 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is waiting for you to take home. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Volkswagen prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power convertible roof, and one-touch window functionality. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.